Hello traders, this is David from Wave Trader. I want to show you this trade that I took on the EurGbp for a sell, and I want to show you my thought processes. So this is the EurGbp on the weekly chart, and from what I'm seeing here on the weekly chart, we have the first wave here, second, this whole thing here is the third wave, and this is the fourth wave based on what I'm saying. Okay, so I looked at this pair yesterday and haven't seen that it's been progressively bearish for several weeks now, about a month and a week. I decided to see if I could get in a short trade. But what I did first was, I know that this is the fourth wave, okay, with the possibility of the fifth wave starting, but the issue is, when will it start? So what I did was taking the retracement levels from the beginning of the third wave to the highest point of the third wave, and I was able to estimate that the 50%, 55% area or level was somewhere here. And let me just show you that again. The wave calculator, the APAC, is connected to the Fibonacci tool. So the first time I draw this, it brings out the Apex alpha calculator. So by using it the second time, I can get the Fibonacci retracement value on its own. So you can see here that this region, this is 50% here, so this region is roughly the 55% area. Okay, so based on my experience, I've determined that I will see if I can look for a short trade and take my profit at that level. That's 55%. Okay, so I did that. I drew that, then I went lower to the daily chart, and I saw a wave top situation. Okay, this is the first wave, second, and the beginning. The third wave is in motion right now. So I went lower again to have a look. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. As at the time I came here, price was somewhere in this region, so I went lower. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see. Okay, so I believe the market was somewhere in this region when I came to this chart, and I decided to look for an entry point. Okay, so I went as low as the 15-minute chart, and this is what I did. The market was somewhere here. Okay, even though it had broken through this trend line, I decided to wait for a retracement. So what I did was, I took retracement level here from the third wave of this small wave top, took it to this point, and as you can see, I placed a sell stop here at, it's actually supposed to be 55, but I believe this is more of maybe 53, but you get the point. So I placed it here at this level, and you saw what happened. The market went up, activated my order, okay, and began to go down again. So what I did was, when I saw that it was now going down, I now placed a one lot market order to sell. Okay, and I just left the chart. I mean, I think I logged out of my computer or something. But you see what happened over the course of the next few hours. The market actually went up, but you can see that at no point in time did it really go above. Roughly, this is roughly about 64%. So between 50% to 62% is a good area to get in your trades. Okay, so this is what the market did. It went there and then began to go down in my favor, retraced sharply, touched the trend line, came down again. Okay, and if you begin to look at this, you will see that it's still respecting the 55% retracement level thing, because if we calculate from the third wave of this leg down here all the way to this point, if I had placed an order here, I would have gotten in again. So today, when I finally got the chance to look at this chart, the market was here, exactly here. let me go to the 5-minute chart and show you guys exactly what I'm saying. So it was on this hammer, okay. As at the time I looked at it, it was actually going down, looking very bearish, but I knew enough that the market will always retrace, so I didn't try to place an order to sell there immediately. What I did was I took a retracement value from here. I did it on the 15-minute chart, but you can see it much more clearly here, from this point to this place, and I determined the 55% level again. So this 1 mini lot trade was a sell limit. I placed it there, okay, and I checked back. I think about 15-20 minutes later, the market had moved up, activated my order, okay, and then when it began to go down again, I now decided to place a 2 lot trade market order this time to sell, and you can see this is where price is currently. So if we go back to the 1 hour chart, you see this is what we see. So guys, it's so important for you to understand that the market will always retrace, and 7 to 8 times out of 10 it will retrace to the 55, probably 60%, but the 55% is the safest area to place your entry orders. And if you are able to understand this and grab it and begin to take advantage of it, you will see that your trading performance will increase dramatically. So on this 1 hour chart, you can see we already have a wave top situation here. So if this is the first wave, this is the second wave, now we are starting the third wave. But I took my I can easily, okay, let's just use the smallest one here and plot how far, one moment, how far price will go. Okay, so plotting the smallest wave top situation we have here, let us have a look. So you see, this is where I place my profit target, okay. That means just before the fifth target, on the fourth target, using the 1 hour wave top. But you see, what I did was, remember I told you that this is the fourth wave, okay, on this weekly Elliott wave situation, and I believe that even if the market decides it wants to go lower, it's not a problem, because you can see here a valid wave top, okay, and you can see that the MACD is just beginning to cross and give us a dead cross. So there's the possibility of this coming as low as even somewhere in this region, but that's not a problem for me. What I understand is that the market usually respects the 55% level a lot. So I decided to place my target profit in that region using the weekly retracement level. So that's my take on EurGbp, and I'm going to keep my eye on it. And if it gives me my target, I will wait for a retracement again, okay. I'll wait for a retracement again, and if it keeps going down, then I'll keep following it as such. So I hope you guys gained something from this knowledge that was shared. So happy trading, guys, and thank you very much.